good afternoon. Today's episode of recipes is about summer. Summertime, we are right in the middle of the summer now. It's beautiful weather out there, and what a better way to start some picnics. So with that in mind, with the picnics on, I was just thinking of making quite a few things, very quick ones, easy to make, very easy at home to do with the children or with your partner, your husband. Get them out of the chair from the telly and get them to do it together. This is really 20-25 minutes preparation, another 20 minutes putting it all together, and it's all done. The whole picnic can be put in the basket and off you go. Now, when I say 20-25 minutes, do not take my word for it. We're not selling a car for 60 seconds or a house in one day, whatever it is. I'm just giving my approximate time. It depends how slow or fast you are. So to start with, first one is we're gonna make a few dips. Two or three dips together. One of them will be a nice smoked salmon dip. With this, we need to have some room temperature cream cheese, soft cheese, some creme fraiche to make it lighter, and some chives, some lemon. So one way of doing this is getting the cheese in a bigger bowl there. That's about 150-ish, depending how much you want to make. 1 tablespoon of creme fraiche. Now we add smoked salmon again. I would say 100-150 grams. Fresh chopped chives here. Lemon juice. As you can see, nothing to it, but very tasty. The next one, slightly different, but again a quick one. Right, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna put some roasted peppers. These you can buy them ready-made from supermarket. I'm not gonna name which one it is because nobody pays for that, so anyone. But a nice, try to get a good quality ones. There is a lot of different ones. Pay a bit more and you get value for that. So we'll have 1 garlic, about a couple of 100 grams of roasted red peppers. And let's put it just there with it. Some almonds, fresh almonds, cumin, and some smoked paprika. We need to add the olive oil. We'll do it later on in the jar. The third one, I was thinking of making some garden peas yogurt dip. Slightly different. Again, all what we need is open these first if it doesn't. You need always get these. Couple of 100 grams of peas, yogurt. I would say about 4.5 tablespoons of natural yogurt, some coriander, fresh coriander, red onion. Half a red onion is more than enough, and then of course red chilli, 1. Peeled carrots there, as you can see. And that is that. What else would we need for a picnic? A few sandwiches. That's the normal sandwiches. Maybe if we try to make something slightly different, interesting, colorful, and that way the kids will eat it at least. Right, so we thought if we get some beetroot wraps, they are available in supermarkets, like I said. The spinach one, a plain one. These are gluten-free, by the way, which is another advantage for that. So maybe if we do, I was thinking of some chicken tikka. Now I've got some chicken pieces that we roasted earlier on. We add some mayonnaise in it and then add some chicken tikka paste, ready-made. Spinach. We've got some spring onion. I've got chili. Now it depends. Would you like it very hot, medium or so? I would chop some peppers, chili peppers, and put them to the same as the spring onions, but it's entirely up to you. Then you get the chicken that we prepared earlier on, and you just run it in the middle, like so. Slowly you pull and you make it tight to here, and then you pull again, make it tighter, and put it aside. And then you can make a few more and slice them while you are in the picnic, or if you want less headache, you can just slice them ready-made and then tray them up, put them in your van or your car, and off you go. The spinach wrap, something different than the chicken one. What we are thinking of is some mixed leaves here. As you can see, I was thinking maybe some avocado. Why not? A few tomatoes, sliced tomatoes, a bit of mayonnaise all along, and some roast turkey. And the same as you roll, keep it tight as possible without shaking. And then one more dish, and then we'll go. One more dish is, I was thinking of coleslaw, but not the coleslaw that we all know, we buy it or we make it at home. It's something slightly different. Is rather than using mayonnaise, we are gonna use sweet onion dressing. Some red cabbage, white cabbage, a few peeled carrots, some onions, white onion, and then we've got some dry cranberry, a couple of tablespoons, walnuts. You may be thinking, what does he do? You will love it. Mix them, and then we will be making now aside some sweet onion dressing instead of the mayonnaise, the usual one. A cup of sugar, a pinch of salt, a good 2-3 tablespoons of olive oil, half a cup of vinegar, white wine vinegar, chopped sweet onion, a very small hint of mustard powder, again half a teaspoon or so of coriander seeds. Make sure that the sugar is dissolved. But let's say 1 tablespoon of lime juice there. Now of course you need to have this cool, extremely cold, to add it up to the coleslaw that we did earlier on. And pretty much that is that. So we've got the 3 dips, the pea and yogurt, the roasted chili, and the smoked salmon dips. We've got the 2 wraps, the spinach one with the turkey, the beetroot one with the chicken tikka, and then we have the coleslaw, cranberry and walnut salad there. And hope you enjoyed this. Oh, of course, before you enjoy this, we've got some cucumber, some peppers, some celery, some carrots as chopped as sticks to help yourself. So I'll present it nice and then you can see it. Hope you've enjoyed this. Have a nice summer and we'll see you very soon. Thank you.